Here is the last lesson for Unit 11, which is classifying conics. So we're going to determine the type of conic section from an equation that is in general form. There are tricks here. Remember, we're looking at a general form that doesn't have a b term in it, so the bxy is missing. And really what we need to do is we need to remember that we're really looking at a and c. And there are ways to tell each type that are written here. So if a and c are the same, it's a circle. And then this one is if a and c are greater than, a times c is greater than 0, it's an ellipse. I like to say a and c are different and they're both positive. So the next one is a or c is negative. So e times c is less than 0. And then if you only have only an x squared or y squared, then it's a parabola. Okay, so pretty easy. So if you want to use the steps that are there, a and c are both positive, but they are different. I know it is an ellipse. Okay, for the next one, I have one that's a negative and one that's a positive. That means that's a hyperbola. For the third one, I only have an x squared, but not a y squared. I know that's a parabola. Again, I have a positive y squared and a negative x squared, so I know that's a hyperbola. For this one, it's not in the right order, but I do have an x squared and y squared, but notice that my a and c are the same, so it's a circle. They're both positive. And then the last one, a and c, even though it's in a different order, they're the same, and they're both positive. So it's a circle. Okay, and that's all you're really doing for this section. Pretty easy to do. Go ahead and practice. Take a quiz. There is an optional 3.0. There are a couple optional 3.0 assessment projects that you can do after you finish this up. It is completely up to you. If you do not have all 3.0s on units 5, 6, and 7, getting a 3.0 here could help bring you up from a D to a C or a C to a B if you would like. Okay, so keep that in mind. Other than that, this is it. Have a great day.